Meet Sense Chat. Just ask your data a question and get the answer in seconds.
Let's start with what really matters: revenue. I'm comparing email versus paid search. I want to see which one's actually making us money. Here's what's interesting. Sense is telling me email traffic outperforms paid search with a higher conversion and deeper engagement. Paid search wins on total revenue through sheer volume and bigger carts, but email users aren't bouncing, they're buying. This is the kind of insight traditional analytics just can't give you. And here's something cool. Sense doesn't just give you answers, it suggests follow-up questions. Here, it's saying I should continue this analysis by comparing the funnels of these users. Okay, now Sense is doing the funnel analysis, and this is interesting. Both email and paid search struggle at homepage, but email users are more committed. They convert better at every funnel step, hitting 51.2% final conversion versus paid search's 44.4%. The real insight? Both need homepage fixes, but email delivers higher quality traffic once engaged. Now let's get specific about the homepage. I'll ask Sense to analyze which elements are popular with users and which ones are turning that attention into money. Watch this. Sense automatically navigates to zonings and builds the analysis. Now I can see exactly which homepage elements are driving revenue, not just getting clicks. So it looks like the main navigation is our top revenue driver. That's working well. Meanwhile, our Air Max highlight isn't engaging users at all. So now Sense can give me a clear action plan. Optimize what's already working, fix the high attention but low conversion elements, and redesign what's failing. This is why our zoning analysis is so great. You can quickly get to element-specific optimization.
That's Sense Chat. We've turned complex data into simple conversations. All you have to do is ask. Hit the button to request a demo.